Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on a 2002 to 2006 Toyota Camry. All you need is a 10mm socket, extension, and a ratchet or impact gun. The engine air filter is under this cover. There are two 10mm bolts on each side. They don't come out all the way, just loosen them. Then pull the cover up. And then it hinges on the back side. Take out the filter. On the new filter, take note of which corner is less rounded. That corner will go right here. You can see the case has less of the rounding to it. So put the filter in. On the back side, you have to put these hinges inside here. So they go down and in, and then you can push the rest of the cover down, and then tighten the bolts. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.